Hello, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 5-star property. In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 10.0. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have visited this property, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or getting details about this property, please check description of the video. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed, please subscribe our channel right now and click the icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming properties. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.